The Tipdiy 4200Pa robot vacuum is a versatile cleaning solution, combining both vacuuming and mopping functions to ensure dust-free floors and fresh air in your home. Equipped with smart sensors, this robotic vacuum can effortlessly navigate around obstacles, switch cleaning modes, and recharge itself, allowing you to focus on more enjoyable activities. Its high-performance 4200 Pa suction power makes it particularly effective for homes with pets, tackling tangled and messy pet hair with ease. Users can easily customize cleaning modes, intensity, and schedules via the app or voice control, providing a convenient and hands-free cleaning experience. The Tipdiy G90 is designed to handle extensive cleaning tasks, thanks to its larger dustbin and high-capacity battery, making it suitable for large families. This robotic vacuum's compact dimensions and lightweight design allow it to clean hard-to-reach areas, ensuring a thorough clean throughout your home.